Imagine trails of stars arcing gracefully through the galaxy, long, elegant streams that stretch across tens of thousands of light-years. These aren't just random alignments. They are the shattered remains of ancient star clusters and dwarf galaxies, slowly being pulled apart by the Milky Way's immense gravity. These stellar streams are more than beautiful. They're forensic evidence, cosmic breadcrumbs that help astronomers map the invisible shape of our galaxy. In fact, they may be the key to revealing the dark matter distribution that gives the Milky Way its structure. As these star clusters orbit the galactic center, tidal forces stretch them out, leaving behind narrow, curved trails. Over billions of years, what once was a tight-knit group becomes a ribbon of stars winding through space. Thanks to missions like Gaia, astronomers have identified dozens of these stellar streams. Some, like GD1 and the Palomar 5 stream, have become famous for their graceful arcs and surprising irregularities, kinks, gaps, and bends that hint at interactions with dark matter clumps. Each stream acts like a probe, a string vibrating in response to unseen masses. If a stream has a sudden bend or is missing a section, it could mean a dense object passed nearby, perhaps a rogue black hole or a chunk of dark matter with no visible counterpart. This is what makes stellar streams so exciting. They allow us to study things we cannot see. They help us test models of dark matter, the shape of the galactic halo, and even the presence of satellite galaxies too faint to detect directly. And there's more. Some streams appear to originate far outside the Milky Way's disk, suggesting ancient mergers with entire dwarf galaxies. In a sense, these are the scars of the Milky Way's violent growth, the remnants of cosmic cannibalism. At infinity beyond, we view these star streams not just as relics, but as tools, instruments playing the hidden music of the galaxy. Their patterns tell us where mass is concentrated, where distortions occur, and what lies beneath the starlight. The next time you see a stunning image of the Milky Way, know this: beneath that glowing band of stars lies a complex architecture, a skeletal framework etched by time, gravity, and destruction. We are only beginning to read this celestial map, and every stream we trace brings us closer to understanding the true nature of our galactic home.